Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tipalti AP Automation Review My Usage Experience. Tipalti AP Automation Review My Usage Experience offers accounts payable AP automation solutions for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to streamline and automate the invoice processing and payment workflows, saving businesses time and money. Key features include automated invoice processing, payment scheduling, supplier management, and reporting. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Their website highlights the benefits of reduced processing time, improved accuracy, and better control over AP expenses. They emphasize ease of use and integration with existing accounting systems. They mention no hidden fees, but pricing varies based on usage. Tipalti uses a cloud-based approach for accessibility and scalability. Availability is worldwide, and details on specific countries and regions can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tipalti AP Automation Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well structured, with clear instructions and helpful video tutorials. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned to upload invoices, approve payments, and generate reports. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboards, allowing me to tailor the view to my specific needs. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing period. Invoice processing was incredibly fast, and payment scheduling was accurate and reliable. I had a quick question about a specific integration with our existing ERP system, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a detailed and helpful solution. A standout feature for me was definitely the robust reporting capabilities. Generating detailed financial reports was a breeze. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for some of the advanced features, like the custom workflow automation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tipalti AP Automation. It significantly streamlined our AP processes, saving us both time and money. That's my overview of Tipalti AP Automation Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.